I'm your host Dee. Today we'll be making buttermilk fried chicken breast. I actually hope you enjoy this video because I certainly enjoyed making it. If this is the first time that you have watched one of my videos, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. So here's the fun part right here. The fun part is actually soaking your chicken breast in buttermilk. And what the soak is going to do is going to tenderize the chicken breast. You see how thick it is? It's going to break all of the proteins down in the chicken and tenderize it so that it won't be so tough when you eat it. Also, I have all my seasonings in here. I have red pepper flakes, black pepper, seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and minced garlic. And you can season it up the way you want. That is the joy of it all. I always like to season my flour as I use it. So right now, the only thing that's in this flour is just salt and pepper. That's it. And the reason why I didn't put anything more in there is because I didn't need anything more, because I have all of this seasoning on my chicken breast. All right, we'll get started here. Grab one of these chicken breasts out of here. Shake off the excess buttermilk. Put it in the bag. Fill the bag up. Give it a good shake. Give it a real good shake here. So it can be thoroughly covered up with the flour. Shake off the excess. I'm going to place it right here. Because these are such big pieces of chicken breast, you don't want to fry them too fast. I'm going to go ahead and cut my heat down on medium now so that they can slow fry and get thoroughly cooked on the inside. So now the question becomes, how do you know that these thick chicken breasts are done? Well, I do it one of two ways. I can either have a meat thermometer, and then I can place the meat thermometer in the top or the meaty part of the chicken, right at the top, and if that is at 160 or above, then I automatically know that it's done. It's thoroughly cooked on the inside. But if I don't have a meat thermometer, what I usually do is I poke holes in the chicken with my knife, which isn't probably the chef way to do things, but it's a way that has kept me from having salmonella poisoning. But it's very important for you to know that it is actually done before you take it out of the fryer and begin to eat it. There you have it, my buttermilk fried chicken breast. Comment below and let me know what you think of the recipe. Until the next time we meet, this has been Dee from Taste and See with Dee.